Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy WikiCat on PancakeSwap on Trust Wallet. Alright? You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Goswi Ezubu. Let's go into this video. Here are the steps to buy WikiCat. Alright, so first of all, you must have a Trust Wallet account and Binance account. But it's not compulsory you must have Binance account, but if you can have it, alright. So in another video, I'm going to be showing you that. Then after you have a Trust Wallet account and a Binance account, the next thing you are going to do is to buy BNB, Smart Chain BNB, probably from Binance or using P2P, alright. And the person will transfer the BNB to your Trust Wallet account. Alright, so once you get it in your Trust Wallet account, so let me show you what you are going to do in your Trust Wallet account. So this is what you're going to do in order to get the BNB to your Trust Wallet account. So go to your Trust Wallet, okay, open your Trust Wallet. So here is my Trust Wallet account. You can see I've already bought a BNB. So how do you get it? Just click on the BNB and you tap on receive. So once you tap on receive, you copy your address, your receive address, and send to the person sending to you. Alright, the person you trust if you didn't buy by yourself. Alright, the person that is sending to you. Once you have your BNB in your Trust Wallet, so that's where we are going to start from now. So what you are going to do, you can see right here on the screen, there is no WikiCat. So what you are going to do is to first of all add WikiCat to your Trust Wallet. So what you're going to do is click on Add Tokens. Alright, if you type WikiCat here, so you can see it there, WikiCat. So you can add it. So that's it. But the best thing you can do is to use the contract address, right? Because many other people might create fake coin with almost the same name. So what you're going to do is go to their main WhatsApp, their main Telegram channel. So this is the main Telegram channel right here, WikiCat. Okay, make sure it is the main Telegram channel. As of the time I'm creating this video, there are 20,000 members. So if you go to Telegram, just type CA, which means contract address, and the rows will reply you. So this is it. You copy the contract address. Alright, copy it. Then you go back to your Trust Wallet and paste it there. Paste the contract address right there. So that's WikiCat here. You select it, you go back to your wallet. So you can see it right here. See WikiCat here is on my wallet. So how do you now buy it? The next step is to go to PancakeSwap. So this is it. You browse, go to your browser down there, then you go to PancakeSwap. So this is it, PancakeSwap. Right, PancakeSwap.finance. So this is it, PancakeSwap.finance. Right. So once you get to PancakeSwap.finance, what you're going to do is change it from Ethereum chain up here. This is Ethereum chain. Alright, change it to Smart Chain. So you click on it, change it to Smart Chain. Make sure you change it to Smart Chain. Then you're going to click on Connect your wallet. Okay. So that is it. So you can see my BNB is loading. You can see your BNB. So the next thing you're going to do is that place you are seeing cake. You select it and you paste the contract address for WikiCat, or you can search for WikiCat. So right now you're going to paste the contract address of WikiCat here. So you can see it. See, look at WikiCat. You select it. So if I want to use all the money I have right here, 0.1 BNB to buy WikiCat, I'm going to select maximum. Right, so it's going to buy for me 1.6 billion WikiCat. Alright, so once you do that, set your slippage at 3%. To set on 2%, it might not go. To set your slippage, just click on this button right here. Okay, so you click on it and you're going to see slippage tolerance. So click on the last one, then you can set it at 3. Okay, so that is just it. Just set it at 3%. Then you click on swap. So this is it. If I click on swap, Alright, they'll say, is this what I want? Is that it? If it's what I want, I'll click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, a contract call will be requested for, and we just continue the process. And WikiCat, let me buy small. So let me just buy so that you see the process here. So let me just buy the one of, let me buy for 1 million so that we see the process. So this is for 1 million. I'll click on swap. Right, so this is it. Right, I'll click on confirm, and contract call will be, and I'll click on approve. And that is it. Then WikiCat have been added to my wallet. So I go back to my wallet right now. So this is it. So you can see, refresh your wallet. So I've bought 980 WikiCat immediately. So this is how to buy WikiCat from Trust Wallet. If you don't have a Trust Wallet account, so I'm going to create another video for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not. And if that video is already up, check the description of this video on how to create a Trust Wallet account and how to create a Binance account. Hey guys, thank you so much for taking out your time to watch that video. Okay, I myself, I have WikiCat. I'm holding WikiCat. I can't tell you how much I'm holding. Then I had to make this video so that other people can use it to buy and get into the project. Look at these comments on the screen by a man of God that has integrity, and you can see the prophetic dream by the first person I heard that started talking about WikiCat, that Christians should get it. So if you have not yet gotten it, please get yours. Okay, and the rule is, make sure you put in what you can afford to lose so that you can sleep well in the night. If it starts going bearish and if it's going bullish, I would like to hear those boom, 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 boom in the comment section. See you at the top. Today is 14th of January. When it starts going up, remember that this channel helped you. Until then, see you next time.